I was gonna ask you, man, what was the first thing that made you your first dollar online? Do you even remember?
Yeah. I was promoting an affiliate offer on Google AdWords for a credit card called the Horizon Gold Card. And it was for
Credit card
people that
days.
had, I believe, for people that didn't have good credit.
Yeah.
And they would pay me, I think it was $22, if I recollect, $22 per application that was approved. And I remember, man, I was still broke. I was in Park City, Utah, with now my wife, but then my girlfriend and her family,
Hmm.
and we were snowboarding. And I'd never snowboarded before. Her dad paid for the whole trip and everything. We're young. I was like 20. Uh, I came in and I had just started ads like a couple weeks before, and I came in and I looked, and that's back in the day when it was not real time tracking. So it could be a
Yeah.
week before something reported. And I made like $270 or something like that. And I looked over at Casey and I was like, I just made a couple $100 while we were snowboarding.
Yeah.
Crazy.
That's crazy because I would have to work for weeks to make a couple of $100 doing shit that
Mhm.
I hate.
Yeah.
And that's when I was like, okay, I'm doubling down. I'm going all in. So that I remember that moment. It wasn't my first dollar. It just because it was a couple of weeks of backtracked reporting. So it was like
Yeah.
$100.
That's
That's
still
cool,
wild
man.
though, man.
Yeah, very
Bro, I
cool.
went and spent it immediately. Like I bought some Oakleys. I'm not gonna lie. It's like I'm copping
Oh,
those Oakleys right there.
that's so dope. Oh
Didn't you? I
man.
think you told me one time too. Like the first time you made like a good chunk of money, like 100 grand, you like went out and bought like a Lambo right away or something.
Yeah, because I'm a dumbass. Look, the when I first started making money, I was an underdog. I was, not the cool kid in school, and I wasn't smart. And the first thing I wanted to do was like show off and prove,
Yeah.
that I made it. So I made some really unwise decisions right out of the gate. But then quickly through, advice from other people more intelligent than me, I came to realize it's money is way better in the bank. So yeah, I
Mhm.
went and I bought a Lambo that really at the time I could afford it, but it just was stupid.
Yeah.
And then I just saved all my money. Like I saved
Mhm.
it. I didn't spend a dime until I had 1 million cash sitting in the bank. I didn't spend a
Nice.
dime. I still lived with my parents and I was a millionaire. I was sleeping
Nice.
Crazy.
in my bedroom at my parents' house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, the first thing you do when you make some new money is you want to go blow it. But internet money is not guaranteed. You could wake up
Mm.
No.
tomorrow, your ads could crash. It's
Facebook blocks your account.
Yeah.
Yeah, this isn't a job where you have a guaranteed
They will.
salary every
Yeah.
month or
Hmm.
every year. So save, and save some more. When you feel like you're in a good spot, then you can go spend and reward yourself.
No doubt.